Dear USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, please provide the live broadcasting on televisions worldwide and I will get civil justice for entire human population worldwide in less than 1 minute. Okay, now I will continue with more proofs of the scandal of Vatican. Okay, now this testimony is about deadliest Pope Francis, Satan alias Lucifer alias Antichrist created leprosy, domestic violence type orphan to damage human brain nerve cells for fellow mankind with fatal negligence. And yes, Antichrist alias Lucifer alias Satan Republica Jesuits leader Pope Francis only created domestic violence orphan worldwide. Okay, and absolute monarchs do not have any birthright to create domestic violence orphan for fellow mankind, and it is the deadliest crime ever that can be created for a fellow mankind. Got it? So that means a nation and a population and civilians and the civilians in the households worldwide do not have any birthright to create orphan disability for mankind. It's a lifetime scar, right? And it is a type of it is the disability is like it's very deadliest crime because it is classification of crucifixion, right? What is a crucifixion means? Crucifixion is it's always a shame logo. It is a definition for a shame logo. Got it? So the Roman Empire, they provided that crucifixion as a shame logo to the entire population. Meaning, whenever the population wants to ask any questions against the Roman Empire, the Roman Empire would enforce the crucifixion and will indirectly or directly tell to the population, do not ask any questions to the Roman Empire, otherwise the population will get crucified. Okay, so that is it's again they create that fear among the population to live in the survival mode. Okay, and that is why worldwide all nations are helpless mode. It's not this scandal is not for 1 or 2 days or 1 hour or 1 minute. Okay, it has been forever, and that is why I'm educating non-stop that the scandal must be stopped immediately. How can we do that as a team process? I am educating. U.S. government all must provide the death penalty for the absolute monarchs. Absolute monarchs should get out of the earth. That's it. It's as simple as that, right? And I step in and I lead and I provide all the guidelines, and then all the things can be fixed because root cause is identified. That is the good news, right? Because the nations were wondering how to fix and they could not fix it. National governments worldwide, they wanted to fix things, but only root causes they could not figure it out. Who was the reason? How the hell was created? How populations tortured? Nobody knows. But now everybody knows. Why? Because I'm educating. So don't you all think that I am born to save the world and all nations and even USA nation is blessed just because I'm born? And there is a reason behind it. I will keep on explaining everything in parts, okay? So I will continue with the justice process. I alone can bail out at fault found guilty USA nation, nobody can. As of January 2021, USA nation must not, should not have any orphan programs any orphan programs. Okay, so that is the wisdom, public awareness, and birthrights every civilian should know. A nation, one more time I repeat, a nation, within quotes, a nation should, must never have any orphan programs. So that means we are in which year? We are in year 2021, right? That means as of today, all nations should never have any orphan programs. Got it on the scandal part? Each and every single public sector systems is broken in pieces, right? When I'm saying there should not be orphan programs, public sectors, private sectors have software lines of codes written exclusively for what logic? orphan logic, and it is going to crash. The systems are going to get crashed, right? I already explained the scandal for refugee. So that is why we need to address each issue separate. We cannot combine all the different issues together, because then there is never a solution. That was another reason that all nations were not able to fix it. Okay, I'm just providing a healthy, affordable, iterative process, right? Preventative measures, affordable, comprehensive solutions. So when we are following a process in identifying the system errors, right, the national operation errors, it is easier when we identify and address each issue a separate issue, right? Then the root cause can be identified. Once when we find the root cause, then there is a fix, right? Then we can provide an absolutely a healthy fix process, right? That's the resolution or solution process, as we say it in a healthy way. So that is what I'm providing. I'm displaying the errors, right? So then there is a medical finance compensation that needs to be paid, because these damages done to the civilians are it's a very deadliest damages, right? It's not a physical. See, there are two different types of damages to the human beings, right? One is a physical damage, the other one is the internal organ damages. And out of the internal organ damages, the highest priority level of organs are human brain and human heart, right? Because it is involving emotions and feelings, right? They are very, very important in a very crucial human operations, right? So when these kind of enforcement and mandated health process is created, it directly impacts only human brain nerve cells. Okay, and there, see, and the human brain nerve cells only is having feelings and emotions, everything, and it directly the nerve connects to the heart, right? So heart and brain are together always. Got it? So that is why each emotion is measured in units of feelings, right? So how to easily explain means, when you go, the milk or oil is measured in units of liters, right? They call it in education curriculum as a metric system, because we need to have some kind of a measuring process to measure, right? That's how we know, okay, we have 5 apples or 5 carrots, means we know that there are 5 numbers, means there is a measurable process that's going on, right? So similarly, when we address an issue, then we need to follow measures, right? Then that is easier way of identifying what went wrong, how to fix it, is there a possibility that can be fixed, or what is a workaround, right? So those are the different kinds of solutions and a process that needs to be provided when there is an issue, right? So the disability is on 2 steps. Okay, so one side it is the physical damage. So what do you call as a physical damage? I will explain in an easier layman way. So let's say a civilian is walking on the road, okay, and he hits on the roadside on the curb, right, on the curb, and he falls down, and then within few minutes his brain gets damaged, just because he walked on the road and he hit the curb, just like that, all of a sudden abruptly his brain got damaged. Then that means there is that external damage of the skull part, right? That is external, right? And then the internal is the brain part. So it is a combination of external damage as well as the internal damage at the same time. Now the next category is, let's say a civilian is driving on the road, okay, and when he is driving on the road, there is a head-on collision. Okay, head-on collision means then there is direct ticket to the death, right? That everybody knows that. So that is one category. Now the other category is, okay, again a civilian is driving on the road, okay, and then there is another car is also driving, okay, and there is for some reason it can be a reckless driving, right, or the civilian can be tired or sleep and driving, or might be intoxicated with alcohol and then driving, or some looking into browsing through that mobile and then driving, or these are all comes under the umbrella of reckless driving, right? Or sometimes people might be talking, laughing, and that can create distractions to the drivers, right? So out of that, what might happen between the lanes crossing or something, then the two vehicles can get hit, right? And then what happens because of that accident, road accident, either one of the civilians will get the physically damaged, means either legs or hands will get amputated all of a sudden. See, the damages I'm talking about is on brain nerve cells, means all of a sudden a civilian become disabled, physically challenged. That is an absolute pain and agony that can be inflicted on a fellow mankind, right? So that is one part of the physical damage, okay. So that is why for any damages done to the civilians of any form, medical finance compensation must be provided, okay. And it is for a healthy purpose only. Why? Because only then they can take care of that post operative cares or post medical healthy way, right, for healing process like that. So that is why medical compensation must be provided, okay. And that can provide that little bit of that help. That is all it can do, nothing more. Other than that, the lifetime scars and the disabled, broken is broken part, that the civilians has to live with it. Can you see the damages, the severity part that is created to the fellow mankind? So the damages are in different level for human operations. Okay, so on the higher umbrella level, there are two types. Part A is external damages to the humans, right? And the part B is the internal damages. So when I'm talking about the internal damages, that is very crucial. Okay, in an user-friendly way, let's say when a person is driving on the road and meets with a road accident, and immediately ambulance or the accident trauma services comes and takes the patients to the hospital, and the emergency doctor provides a surgery and provides a post-operative care and physiotherapy and all that stuff, and it gets healed on the regular basis, right? It has its own time, and then that is all the medical services people can do. Then there is God's labor also in healing process, right? That is unknown to humans. So it's all a team process. One side, the medical services provide their own emergency care to help the accident trauma patients, and the other side, God's labor provides that healing process. It's all a team process, right? So that is the external damages. So then why that internal damages, organ damages is more severity level highest? Why? Means the human brain operation, right? Operating process of a human brain and operating process of a human heart is very complex, right? It is known worldwide. It is known to humans worldwide, okay. Why? Because the God of true Christianity, I have to use true Christianity for a reason. I will explain that later, okay. So God of true Christianity, when he created a man or a woman, he just gave only one lifetime heart and only one brain for each man and each woman, right? So that means that is all. Forever, until coffin, until you are going to civilians is going to exit the earth as in death process, until then, that is all, one heart and one brain. That's all. Live with it, die with it, like that. So nobody can create the human brain, right? It's very complex, and nobody can create a human heart. That's also very complex, right? So what the best civilians can do. The best civilians can do is do never ever ever think of hurting fellow mankind. It's as simple as that. It's a very simplest task, right? To love clean is easiest than to hurt fellow mankind, because to hurt a fellow mankind, a civilian needs to get trained. As I told you, they needs to get trained means, I would say, intoxicated, and intoxicated means there can be different sources of influence, right? People can brainwash, and people can say, oh no, you don't you know this, oh it's okay, nobody will care, it's okay, like that kind of an influence. And those are all intoxicated process that gets injected inside the human brains, and then that damages the human brain operations. So there are different level of damages done to the civilians. So the highest level of crime, I would say, why they telling it is a crime? Crime is nothing but it's a sin. In other words, that's how crime and sin is two different words that has the same meaning. Crime means the medical services and the justice services want to provide a solution, right? So they want to have some kind of a terminology, right? They want to use a terminology. Oh, this is a crime. No, this is not a crime, like that. So that is how that word was created. But then again, there is another layer of abuse which I already explained, right? There should never be criminal law in entire earth. Criminal justice should never be there. So that is, I do not want to go to that part yet. I will come to that part to be addressed separate. That's another $1 trillion of scandal. Okay. So all I'm telling is there is an internal organs damage and external organ damage. And out of the internal organ damage, the human brain damage and the nerve cells damage and the human heart damage is the highest level of severity. Why? Because when the emotional torture, right? When a pain is inflicted on the brain nerve cells, the pain is on an individual basis. Nobody can take or nobody can share the pain, right? It can be or any of your family members, any of your friends, any of your anybody, right? Like your loved ones, your children, your family, your relatives, everybody. Nobody can share the pain, and people will become helpless, and they will be allowed to watch the pain the other civilian is undergoing through, right? So that is why that internal organ brain damage, brain nerve cells damage, and the heart damage is very severity highest, because there is no cure. Doctors cannot cure, medical service providers, they cannot cure. Even they are humans, right? They are average humans like any other humans, right? Like you and me. Only thing is they have studied the a decade long, like 10 years long, and a human anatomy, right? It is very complex education, right? But only thing is, so that is pretty much it. They can do the surgery, they can do the operation, they can fix if there is any scar things. But then when it comes to the brain nerve cells damage and the heart level damage, or of the emotional damage, I would say, emotional damage or the feelings damage, they tell, right, do not hurt my feelings, please do not hurt my emotions, please do not hurt my feelings, hurt feelings, like that. So because why they are telling that, why the civilians communicate that to the fellow mankind? Because some people can handle it easily, okay, and some people cannot. That is the difference, okay? So that is why there is that internal organs damage process and the external organ damage, which we need to know, right? The civilians need to know what is the birthright and what is the awareness, right? So when the damages are done, the highest level of damage is done is on the brain nerve cells and the heart level cells. So both the damages, medical compensation, financial compensation must be provided. Got it? So what is the crime and the scandal of Vatican is, okay, even on the foolish level, even on the health creating service level, they created hell, right? What I'm providing all different types of help. They provided L1, L2, L3, L4, L5, like that. We can easily provide a type code for that, right? What are the different types of health code? That is another easy way of tracking down the issues and then fixing it in a healthiest possible way, right? So they did not even stop creating hell after hell after hell. And then, how cunning and so mean they are, they did not even bother to pay any medical compensation. So, can you see how that being humane versus being inhumane, there is a difference? And foolish vices versus wisest. So, they did not even bother to provide a medical compensation, right, to when the damages is being created. So I am talking about just only one civilian as for a sample and for an example, right? Now imagine how many total population are there worldwide. 7.9 plus billions of humans. USA nation alone has 300 millions of humans populations, right? Versus India has 1.3 billions of humans. And China has the largest population, right? So like this, every nation has their own population count, right? And Africa has the largest number of nations in it, right? It has 54 nations in it. So imagine the distractions done, right? And one side they made enforce the destruction on the brain nerve cells, that is deadliest crime, right? Now tell me, see, I am the true, see, there is the thing, I am the true owner of all the nations, right? So, can you see, I can do a tit for tat process, right? To do the same kind of damages to Queen Elizabeth II and to all her family, right? Nobody will ask me anything because I will say why Queen Elizabeth created damage to 7.9 plus billions of humans. And no, I'm using a tit for tat process. That's not right. That is not justice process, right? So the healthy civil justice process is what absolute monarchs should get out in the volcano in Hawaii and to be gone without a trace in ashes. That is all. So as simple as that. So at this point of time, Queen Elizabeth II and Pope Francis and France leader and absolute monarchs as in everybody, they all will get a disgraceful death penalty only, right? Because they are all classified as human endangered species. They should not have created any of the hell. And on top of it, the deadliest crime in layers, right? On top of it, they mandated nations to never provide any medical compensations. That is wrong. So today I am going to, not today, and I am providing a civil justice and medical finance compensations will be paid to each and every single human worldwide as long as they are living today. Got it? I am going to get the civil justice for everybody. I am going to get the civil justice for everybody. Because the crime is deadliest and the damages is done on the human brain level cells. See, vices, that is why vices is always wisest. Okay? They never know how to hurt fellow mankind. That is why they are wisest. Wisest and innocent is directly proportional. Okay? When you are less innocent, you are not wisest. When you are less innocent, then you are more foolish. Okay? So when you are more innocent, you are more wisest. Got it? So wisest people always stand out in the crowd. Because they don't know how to hurt fellow mankind. They can display only cleanest love. And they can provide an excellent discipline process. Right? And they can even guide all the foolish people to walk on the wisdom pathways. So there is always a difference when people are with wisdom wisest population, right? That is why wisest always wisest forever, and fool is always or foolish, and the sufferers are always the wisest in the hands of foolish. Okay, so for this particular testimony, again it's going to take more time, but I will try to finish it in this one session, or I'll make it as a part in two parts. Okay, one more time. There are two different damages. So one is external human damages, and the other one is the internal organ damages to the human beings. So which one is highest severity, priority? The internal organ damages. Out of the internal organ damages, which one is the highest priority? The only brain and heart. Okay, so what is the best any civilian can do? Never ever, even in the dream or even when sleeping, should never think of hurting fellow mankind. Simple as that. Why? Nobody can create a new brain and give it back, right? Nobody can create a new heart and give it back to the fellow mankind. Got it? Can you all understand my wisdom education? See, when we humans are able to create new brains as and when needed, or new hearts as and when needed, that will be great, right? See, all we need to do is just crack open the skull and open the skull and then remove that damaged brain, throw it away, and then put a different new brain, and then close the skull, and then we can do the same for the heart. Oh, that would be super great, right? But then that's not how it works, right? Once that is why the best civilians or the governments or anybody can do is never ever ever forever never think to hurt fellow mankind. Simple as that. Period. If you're so meaning the emotional damage, and that it's the very highest level of torture a civilian can undergo through. Okay, and the feelings hurt is also difficult. That is why some people will go, we cannot handle the brain shock, and they might go in a different mode of handling that. And for some, they handle it in a healthy way. Some can handle it they can take it easy, right? So it all differs, because why? Each human operation system is different, because each human is different. So when you're seeing a snowflake, the snowflake has a different patterns, right? No snow, not even one snowflake is repeated. It's the same. Every single snowflake is different. It's the same for human population also. Each civilian is different, unique and distinct. So that is how God created, right? That is why each civilian, regardless of the gender, be it men population or women population, they are all holy. God's creations created in holy process. Okay, I will explain that in later. Right now I have to keep providing the civil justice sign off. It's very highest priority, right? So what I'm educating on this testimony is very crucial, because you all know. Okay, let me one more time provide that education on highest level. First layer comes the foolish disease. Then comes leprosy, right? Why I'm saying a leprosy? Leprosy means nerves becomes numbed, right? The people cannot realize the pain when the nerves will not function correctly. So I am using the same leprosy for other crimes like slavery and hatred and discrimination and homeless and poverty, right? How? Because there is that inhumane. When a civilian operation is destroyed and the human becomes inhumane, insane, they are foolish patients. So foolish is an umbrella. Then there comes the leprosy, because the inhumane nerves only gets activated. Then another layer is only the disease type. It's called domestic violence. See why that term that's called as a domestic violence. Domestic means we humans are domesticated. Domestic means we are living in a human kingdom. We are not living on the wild, on the forest, right? We are living in the neighborhood, community, like that, right? In developed nations like that. So that is why that's the easy way to address. We humans are domesticated, so domestic. Okay. Then why that violence is included? Violence means anti-love. Okay, it's called as an anti-love or antichrist. Okay, or satanic or evil forces like that. So they when you're telling violence means, okay, when civilians are living in a perfect harmony and perfect love, and everything is a heaven mode, and everybody is living in a perfect healthy way, peaceful life, then that is different. That is not called as violence, right? What is called as violence? When a civilian wants to hurt a fellow mankind, it can be anything. Hurt can be of any forms, right? It can be mocking, it can be bullying, it can be accusing, it can be cursing, it can be killing, it can be shooting, it can be slapping, it can be punching, it can be hitting, anything, right? So that is why they want to provide a classification called as a domestic violence. Got it? So there is a different. So you, as a public, when say public population gets to know the real education of what exactly is domestic violence, and then what exactly is a violence and what is domestic, and everything is educated in a rightful way, then the population is guided in the rightful way to walk in the wisdom path, right? See, when people know, when population knows that wisdom pathways is the healthiest ways, they will choose only healthiest ways, right? Because that is what humans love. Humans love only clean love. Got it? Humans never love the unhealthy love. That is a normal human operation process. So that is why we all need to know, as a public awareness and as a birthright, that nobody have any birthright to create any kind of hurt to fellow mankind on brain nerve cells and on heart level. So when I'm telling heart and brain, you can easily say it as emotions and feelings, which is same. Emotions and feelings is little bit different, and they want to again they want to put it in a sub classification so that we can provide it as a measurable process, right? So there are different emotions: happy emotions, healthy emotions, unhealthy emotions, and then each emotion is measured in units of feelings. So when you are telling that way, then it is easy to understand. So there is a, let's say there is a happy emotion. Then each happy emotion is measured in units of happy feelings, right? So then it is easier to understand how that feelings and emotions are related with each other, how heart and the brain works together. So that is why people should never ever think of hurting fellow mankind, because okay, there is an emotions and feelings part, that is one part, right, of the brain and heart operating process. Then there is a love database and the hate database also in your brain, right? And then all these works in a team process, right? There's a love database, there's a hate database, and then there's the emotions, then the feelings, and each emotion is measured in units of feelings, right? All these have to be functioned in a healthy way, right? So that is why people should never ever think of hurting fellow mankind, because the brain nerve cells, when it is damaged, it is lot of damages. Then on the other level, each human brain has memory also, memory process. That is a standalone complex process, right? Nobody knows what is memory, how memory, right? how it functions, how it operates. There again, to explain in an easier way, let's say if you are switching on a television to watch a movie or a show or something like that, and you have the remote control, right? You can either fast forward, you can rewind, you can pause, right? And then you can even with some updated features, you can even update with delete or erase it, and then update it. So that is an easy option, right? But sadly, I would have to say only sadly, because we are helpless mode. We humans are helpless mode, right? Because we cannot create human brains, human hearts like that. So we are in a helpless mode. That is called as a saddest mode. So um, we do not have that remote option of rewind your brain, right? Brain memory processing. Okay, go to that exact spot. Okay, boom, 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 like that. And now pause it, and now delete it. Okay, now update. We do not have that options. We humans do not have that option, that luxury to go and look up into that memory processing and then do a delete or erase it like that. So that is why we humans are helpless mode, and what that is why people say do not hurt fellow mankind, right? So can you all understand the severity level of the internal organ damages versus the external organ damages? And even the doctors cannot fix the internal organ damages when it is coming to emotional and the feelings level of hurts, right? And the pain inflicted is highest level. Then there is the tears level also, like people shed tears, right? When it is painful, they shed tears. So then there again there is a different classification. When you're physically there is a physical damage, means let's say I am cooking and I'm getting an accident in the kitchen, then I hurt my hand, right? So there is that pain, immediate pain. If I burnt my hand with the fire when I'm cooking like that, then it will pain for me. That's a physical pain. Then there is an emotional pain. Emotional pain is the highest level of pain that a civilian should never even undergo through. That is a hell of a pain, I would say, right? But sadly, what happens? These foolish, insane people, they enforce the damages on the brain nerve cells level, right? And sadly, nobody can share that pain. Yeah, and each pain is different, and each humans handling the pain is also different. So all the humans are left out with just watching the people under suffering with the pain. So this is exactly what the absolute monarchs wanted. Got it? And why all these kind of sufferings of pain and agony and have to be created at the first place? All for tax process. Got it? Why tax process? Then the tax is a very highest level. So it's an umbrella, I would say. Then why they want to even create the tax process? For false prosecution, false shame, false guilt, and then they can prosecute, right? Telling that, hey nation, you have all these kind of foolish people, now pay tax. Got it? Can you see how the different layers of toxins have been weaved, or I would say created in the form of a spider web to create a tax? All for fanatic love of crown, and also to fanatic love to eat the dollars that rightfully belong to the civilians. That is wrong. That is wrong. Why wrong? Already the nations have given enough palaces, enough fundings, enough everything, enough luxury. Do you all know that Pope Francis and the Roman Catholic fathers and the Roman Catholic nuns in whole entire planet have the highest level of healthiest food in a whole entire planet Earth? They have the richest food every single day, every meal. Do you all know that? So that means, can you all see how cunning and selfish they are? right? They created the damage to the humans. They never bothered to provide medical finance compensation. They never even bothered to provide the overview of session like why on the earth the absolute monarchs want to create that hell, right? At least that would have at least given a healthy way of handling the pain for the civilians, right? Like for example, as a Pope Francis could have sat down with among the population and could have told population, I am the Pope, I am born to create hell for population, okay? So let me provide a overview session. Now I am going to create slavery hell process. This is how it is going to be, and sorry, I am not going to provide any medical finance compensation. You deal with it, you live with it, and die with it. I really don't care because I am living in palace. So this, at least this kind of overview, if the Pope Francis would have given to the population would have got that kind of a processing model to handle that pain at least. But he never even did that. That's another $1 trillion scandal. So he hid his identity, right? Pope Francis never said he is a antichrist. Pope Francis never said he is a Satan, right? And he hid the true identity, and he wore a mask. He wore a mask of Christian. He's not a Christian actually. Okay, and it is a saddest reality. I absolutely can understand that emotional pain entire Roman Catholics population are undergoing through, because I am explaining the truth as is mode, right? So they are the people who are aware that they are fallen in trap and absolute paganism. Pope Francis is an Islam Judaism, and he's a communist actually. He's an absolute paganist, right? But he hid all his true identity. So can you all see why USA nation is an absolute innocent nation in the earth as of now? See, have you seen the patterns of how the USA government talks to the population worldwide? Oh no, we don't like communism. Oh no, we don't like socialism, like that, right? But they never even know that France is a communist nation, right? Can you see the scandal? The USA nation never knows France is one cunning nation and it is the deadliest communist nation. And without knowing that, provided free citizenship to the France, right? So can you see trace all the scandals to the Statue of Liberty, right? The Ellis Island and the Statue of Liberty and entire process provided to only Europeans, right? Everything was a scandal. And see, all I'm talking about the absolute monarch, got it? The population of each and Europe nation is innocent. So that means population living in Italy are innocent, population living in France are innocent. So that is why I'm saying I can take care of each and every single human in all European nations as my own family. Means I know everybody are my worldwide or entire population are my blood drops. Okay, so that is why I can take care of all the population as my own family. Versus what those absolute monarchs did to the entire population. They even they created a lot of havoc and disasters to the worldwide population, right? So at least they should have taken care of the European nations' populations, right? But they did not do that. As of now, as of today, as of this minute, population of London is tortured, and population in France are tortured, population in Germany are tortured, population in Italy are tortured. So that it's a live proof. I'm proving that how that Queen of England, Elizabeth II, is a absolute Satan. She should not be living in the earth. So each second the absolute monarchs are allowed to live free, each and every second. United States of America is only getting the crime, and the crime level is increased exponentially. So when I am saying do the task, just do the task. Do not ask me any question. So that means USA nation should do what task? must lay off Pope Francis immediately, abruptly, on the spot. Just lay off. And then sign off that Vatican leader job to me. All the nations will be happiest forever. They'll thank, they'll thank me forever. And I can explain everything later about that. So USA nation should only listen to me only, nobody else. Okay, so I would stop with this highest level of public awareness and birthrights education on what are the different types of damages for the human operation system, and that way people can understand my concern about why all the education I'm providing on is all deadliest crimes. Okay, because the damages is done to the human brain nerve cells. That is wrong. But these insane people, they are on a blood cells level, they are very dangerous. They are venomous, they are poisonous. They really don't care. Queen of England is royal, and she is owning a lot of nations, and she is ruling the nations and have everything, right? Then why the queen even have to bother to create hell for fellow mankind, right? And she never owns any nations, right? If she is a true queen, or if she is a true royal, then she would have taken care of the population very well. But she did not do that. She destroyed everybody, and she destroyed everybody's precious life. And the Queen of England, Elizabeth II, destroyed entire national operations. 7.9 billion human brains have been destroyed. Who is going to pay for those damages? $500,000 trillion is the cheapest medical compensation I provided. The doctors went to the Harvard Medical School, they never even provided that. That's a shame, beyond shame, right? They never even provided that medical compensation. They are the puppets to the Satans. So they misguided the nations. Why? The medical providers, they use medical terms, and all the non-medical population are laymen in the hands of medical services. Whatever medical services tells, the population has to believe, right? They'll have long list of disease name, and non-population will not even be able to pronounce that because of the complexity of that name. So they indirectly created a dependent mode for the population and the national government, and then it's easy for them to provide the scandal. That's what is happening, right? The COVID-19 is a scandal. I have all the proof. I will explain one by one later. Okay, just be patient. So that's pretty much it. So I will stop with this. So just be aware that yes, there are damages done to the human system on an external level and also internal level. So it's called as a internal organ damages and external organ damages. If you classify that, then it is easy to understand and identify and find the root cause and fix whatever it is, right? So that is pretty much it. So on the bottom line, what is the public awareness and birthrights civilian should know? A civilian do not have any birthright to hurt fellow mankind. Simple task, right? It's not very hard. It's the simplest task. Then love cleanest. That's all. Again, that's another easiest task, right? Love cleanest. We humans are born to love cleanest. We humans are born to help each other out. We humans are dependent on each other out, right? That is how we have been created by God. So when all the adverse operations of the human are provided to the human kingdom, then there needs to be something wrong. And what is wrong? What went wrong? Who created that? That root cause has been identified. Is the good news. Okay, so that is pretty much it. So I will stop. I will take a break with this session, and then I will provide a part B section of providing sign of closure, civil justice process on deadliest crime, domestic violence, orphans. Okay, and the awareness is there should never be orphans in any nations as of today. Got it? So that means each and every orphanages as of today must be sealed and shut down for human endangered species. Okay, so that is also created for tax mandate only. Got it? So Pope Francis cannot escape the death penalty. Okay, so just be aware, just be patient. Okay, I know everybody, all the population are in yeah, worldwide are in in a panic mode. Oh, what is going on worldwide? But I'm saying just be calm, relax. Okay, take a deep breath and relax, because being aware that I am there. Okay, I am there as a true friend, as a true guardian angel. I will take care of each and every single human worldwide, and I will get civil justice for entire human kingdom. That is why I have to provide this live testimony and the proof. And it will be helpful if it is getting broadcasted live on the televisions worldwide, because government needs to know the truth that the Pope Francis is Satan, right? So that truth, if it's going to get communicated late, then everything get crashed, or all the team process get delayed, right? So when it reaches the governments of all nations at the rightful time, then everything happens in the rightful healthy processing, right? So first task the USA nation should do is lay off, or the Pope Francis must resign immediately, abruptly, and I only must become Vatican leader. Then I only must be the supreme chief civil judge for all nations. Okay, and I, because I only know what is justice and what is not justice, right? And then I only must be the chief medical director to lead entire medical services of all nations worldwide, because I only know what is a disability and what is not a disability, right? And so then I can guide all the government agencies, be it education agencies, welfare agencies, military agencies, right? FBI, national intelligence, military, Pentagon, then tax revenue, right? Finance. I can guide everybody, a software world. I can guide everybody on how to do, what to do, tasks. Okay, so thank you all for your time, and have a good day. Bye now.